Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. Yeah? Right now, I know some of you are just locked in to see if we'll lose again. And I hear that. But I felt the pain last week. And this week I said I have to get it back in blood. It doesn't matter who we play. So someone's gonna feel it. Anyway, quick look at the league tables. We're at the top still, but close behind what COG and Crash Tails, all on 9 points, but we're at the top because of goal difference. So the next couple of weeks are gonna make the difference. Today we got Pique-Boo FC, new team in the league. I know nothing about them, but you know what it is, man. We're gonna get it cracking. I just want to shout out the chairman, the players, the people that tune in every week. Without you lot, this wouldn't be nothing, you know. If you want to support, come down, support us at the Fives, 8 PM every Monday. Let's get it cracking, man. So get your tea, get your snacks, get your biscuits, put your feet up. Let's go to war. CC forever, man. You know the score.
Go ahead.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Just know it's going on YouTube. Just remember that.
We're close. I'll see you come again. Who just said? Oh, I didn't. Hello! I look quite cute. Don't score 30.
David, how you doing?
Alright people, someone's beaten this day. We're playing Pique-Boo FC, yeah? So as you can see, we can only see one side of the field right now. But that's how the story goes. Anyway, my boy Liam taking the seat early on. Must have had a long day at work. Anyway, Pique-Boo FC, young boys, as I said, bottom of the table, actually no, second bottom of the table, new to the league, don't know much about them. Yeah, let's get it cracking. Alright, by the way, boy Chippendale's back, it's free. H is back, it's free. They're on day release right now. Hopefully they'll be here for the rest. Anyway, first couple minutes in.
Unlucky, Matt.
Matt hits on the underside of the bar.
Oh, come on. Oh, unlucky.
David's done all the hard
Well
work.
played.
H just finishes off.
5 minutes. That's not in my eyes. 5 minutes is ages.
1-0 to the Clampers.
Good touch, Michael. Well done.
We win the ball back early. Nice.
Well in, Michael. Well done, Michael.
H coming forward. He's missed scoring goals.
Nah. Oh,
Not gonna lie, this half is gonna be kind of quick, so we can get the sun out of the way. We started going down about half time.
JD, shit like
But we
that.
had to keep going.
They're all completely different, which is their normal.
That's Liam making it free. It's not a good start for them. It's not gonna end well either. H with another one. 4, all within 5.
Do you not bring your girlfriend to Michael? Do you not bring your girlfriend to the game? Yes! That's all you, Michael. Whitewash.
As you can hear, they get one back.
We win by forfeit. And then wide, look wide. Nice and wide, that's a spread.
4-1, but they make a mistake.
Well done,
H should have punished him there.
Area! That was area.
Sorry, Chippendale does. 5-1, floodgates open. Sun's in our eyes. Bear with me. They're still trying though.
Come back. Get pen, good. Yes. Still taste cigarettes, so I don't want. Oh yes. Trying to send one out. Where? Well, bearing in mind the sun's on my eyes.
6-week holiday just started.
Well done, Lewis.
Welcome to Daddy Daycare.
Oh, good block. Then that one block.
Hey, just moves it around. Switches it over, tries to get over to me. I got no touch there. Hey, anyway, sun's still in the eyes. Told you I'm trying to make this a quick one. Try to keep the goals in and some little bits and bits. Ball across the Chris. And he misses.
Reese ain't even too bad.
Yeah, Reese ain't that bad. I've had a thinker.
You can't really see what's going on over there. Tussling and busting. But somehow the ball falls over here. The keeper retreats.
Depends what score line.
What, me? No, lads, do that, lads. Block it, lads. 6-4. Block it!
There you go, there's Chris on the score sheet.
Hi YouTube.
It's a great little spreads across, but nothing came from it.
You did choose to say, oh, I'm not yeah,
Keeper's done well there. Can't see where it's coming from, but it's coming.
Good challenge, Lewis. Love it.
I get a shot off. Keeper saves.
Go on, follow it down.
You can never beat him in a challenge.
Oh, he's in the corner. He's in the corner. Can't touch him.
Man in the corner finds his way out.
You can never.
Gets a shot across. It's wide. Chris finishes.
Nah, it's fine. We'll see it on CANT.
What are they?
I've subscribed to him.
What are they? YouTube?
Yeah, mate. Look. GoPro. The GoPro, look. I've subscribed to him.
Just so I can see this video when it gets posted.
Is it actually a YouTube channel? Huh?
Friday at 5 o'clock.
Friday at 5 o'clock.
What? It'll get released, the video.
Oh, no, that's
How many subscribers?
That's
how many
20
subscribers?
245, I think.
I hope I've got a
banger today.
246 now. You've got a new subscriber. Well done.
Thank you.
You'll have 247 later on.
Thank you.
Depends how much you beat us by.
Yeah. If you beat us by 30, then
Yeah, you get
Possible.
Can we make sure not to say anything dodgy because they have got a goal?
yeah. Yeah, it's fine.
Punters on the sideline should have made sure they don't say nothing.
Oh,
my
They
God,
said too much already.
Worst five-a-side
love
team.
it!
Worst five-a-side team in the whole of England. He stopped the
Matt
count
to
in
H.
one corner so you can go in.
H switches it. David, shot, keeper saves. Sun seems to be lurring behind those trees. It reminds me of Teletubbies. Yes, I was once a kid.
Can you go?
H phoned me during the weekend and said, yo, I heard you lost last week.
Yeah, it looks
He
good.
said, don't worry, I'm there this week.
Man on.
This is what he meant.
That's quality.
8-1. Back in motion, the young boys not really finding their path, but you know, they're new to this. And I feel like as a team, they'll get better week in, week out. So come end of the season, when we play them again, it might be a different story.
Drivers at Pique-Boo.
This guy had a wicked left foot. Just needs to stay a bit more composed. That's H. To Liam. Liam and H, link up play, you know what's going on. My boy in the back having a coughing fit.
Eddie Hall inbound. Eddie Hall hat-trick.
As you can see, the sun's starting to lower a little bit.
Oh, it's on the Pique-Boo FC.
Liam with it, driving forward to H, to Liam. Shot off. Chris gets the rebound, gets a shot off. It's another one for Chris. 9-1, it's not even half time yet.
Come on, Michael!
We're in a good position.
Come on, lads!
By the sound of it, Michael just had a shot. Can't see much.
We're going up.
H going forward. The keeper saves
Down
well.
line! Nice! Go on, Reece.
H picks it off him, puts it through his friend's letterbox.
Go on, Michael!
He should work for Royal Mail.
Go on, yeah!
Mistake at the back, and they get one back.
Was that you?
9-2.
Wait, you cunt. You fucking drank all my drink.
Friends on the sideline arguing about drinking each other's drinks.
Come on, Reece!
It's me with it, strapped up to my knees. Little pass into Chris. Chris in the corner.
Mark the man, Lewis.
Great ball across, but nothing comes from it. 9-2, H with the shot. Keep it safe. Chris in the corner. He's trying to barge into the corner. Someone tell him the rules.
These guys are done.
Go on, play him. Oh, what a fucking ball.
Not gonna lie, it was a great ball across. He celebrated like he scored a goal.
Oh, what a fucking save. Well done.
Not gonna lie, the keepers made them stay in the game. Liam and H, link up play, absolutely astronomical.
Oh, that's totally on, mate.
What else finally gets his back heel goal?
Am I coming off? No.
I've just been standing in front of the camera.
10-2 down, not too bad.
Well done, boys. Well done.
Boys, this shows how shit we are. We're celebrating after scoring 2 goals.
Nah, it was fucking.
Half time, 10-2.
How the fuck did we score with them shots? Me and you had like 5 in a row. Because you weren't kind of controlling it, you fucking whacking it.
Yeah, it's hot. 20, let's get the job done, 3 points. And move on. Team played last week.
Yeah, that's their real team. Could come down.
Where is everyone? Ah, rotate. 1 week on, 1 week off. Yeah. Go again, innit?
No. I got permission to celebrate in front of the goal post.
Can I take my top off?
Go ahead.
Yeah!
Just know it's going on YouTube. Just remember that.
Michael got here next week.
Yeah, I know.
Well done, Ryan. Well done, Michael.
Anyway, second half underway. 10-2.
Michael! Oh, fuck!
They almost break through. And then Chris with an easy finish.
He's missed it. Fold
But he
it.
hits the
Come
post.
on, lad. That's it. Michael, that's you. In the corner, in the corner. 5. Yeah, well done. It's it! Oh, well done.
As you can see, sun's going down, lowering behind the trees. We're finally getting a view of the full field. Let's play football. Little one to David, little one to Chris.
Go on, block it. Oh, unlucky, Ryan.
Push that one away though.
Lewis,
Someone get that guy to the hospital. That cough sounds bad.
Wait, what's the scores?
If I score, I ain't gonna lie, I'm just going away.
Passing in the boot.
Oh, well done, lad. Clamp Citèh. Well done.
Camp Citèh, already know the name.
Touch, Michael.
12-2, partners on the sideline, still egging their friends on. I respect it. I'll do the same.
Brilliant. That was sexy.
But we come forward.
Oh, well done.
David adds to his tally for the season.
Carry on playing, mate. You can't call my bird a flag.
Is that the Grinch? David still gives it to Chris. Chris twists and turns. Gets a shot off.
All the way, lad.
That's another one for him.
Boys, I can't wait for this video to come out.
Mate, it's rope.
They're having fun, seeing the camera and they're loving life.
Well done. In the corner.
Drivers of London. Corn ref, that wasn't long enough.
I'm old school, off the wall, take one on. 2-2 step overs, go past the next. Shot. It's wide.
When I saw, I want to see on the people.
David with it. You thought he'd be stuck in there. Let's find a way out. No look pass across to Chris.
Harry, try back.
Just a shot off. Keep it saves. And the young boys there with it. Somehow they're still forward in the corner. Hustling and busting. Pass it back. You get a shot off. It's wide.
Hit it, Reece! Fucking what a strike!
Reece hitting one from range.
You may as well. When you come back on, you may as well just shoot them.
Yeah, might as well. Exactly.
Liam coming forward.
Finish.
To Matt.
Well done, Ryan.
It's unlucky.
Can I just say Brian's been our best player?
Yeah, 100%.
Keeper rolls it out.
You are second saved us.
Finds the player. 1-2 passes
Reece is coming in
made.
with some passion.
Michael!
All that time and that's what he did with it. It's unlucky though.
I'm finished. Great.
How about every time Michael makes a
1-2 between Matt and Liam. Gets a shot.
Next time you miss.
8-1. Let's be real, their keepers kept them in the game.
Michael, next
Finish.
Oh, come on.
Hate to stop that one. 15-2.
That's good.
Numbers looking brilliant. They've slowed it down. Walking football. 1-2s. Ball's being moved around.
Okay, that's deep. Give him a rest. That's deep.
He showed him, he's like, oh, you're alright. They're alright, and they zoomed out with his cousin. He's like, oh no, what
Hates
have I
with it.
done?
David on the run.
Now, to be fair, Cousin's
Cuts inside. Gets a
Oh
shot.
shit, the GoPro's on.
Over.
We're gonna get banned, we're gonna get kids out. We've got to be the nicest, the nicest, funniest team we've played with, sure.
We just like to make
Could be the nicest, but
Yeah, but we
Yeah,
are
no,
also
nice.
probably the shittest. Sorry for...
that's
I
Matt
mean,
with
I
it.
suppose it is only 13-2.
Well done, Reece.
16-2. Mistake on his behalf. And we're still coming
Go
forward.
on, lads. Go on. Don't camp him. That's not allowed. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Matt with another one, back to back.
Oh, ref, how long
He's
till
moving like
sub?
Jordan 96-97. Liam coming forward, dangerous sight. Not someone you want to see one-on-one with the keeper. Seems to be taking it easy tonight.
Did he say just over 5?
17-2.
Oh.
Fuck it, let's make it the next one.
Well done, you.
18-2, opposition clapping for us. That's what we'd like to see. We got the young boys though, man. They're still going, they ain't giving up. I respect it. Some teams, you might have seen in the past, they gave up. Liam having fun. He grew up in Jog Benito. Anyway, Pique-Boo FC coming forward. They get a good shot of Sam's called into action.
Can I come on? Can't wait. I've got the notice off you. Just letting you know, I am going to steal your video, put it on TikTok, but I'll give you credit. That's alright, no problem. Thank you. Actually, it'll probably get about 4 views anyway.
That shot's come off the corner there. Crazy. To be fair, they're having fun, you can see it.
That is beautiful, man.
Chris with it, H, fires it into me. Great little touch. Lay it off for Chris.
Same thing in 2 weeks.
Off the frame of the goal. I get it back, I do it again. Surely got to change the outcome now. 19-2. Chris tucks that one away.
Oh my days. Lad. Hurry. Come back. Come back. Well done, Harry.
I saw the vision.
Oh yeah,
Execution was there though.
Specialist. Ryan!
Shout at the week. That's what we're going to do.
No, that's only this week.
I told you, it didn't matter who played
known
this
as the
week.
shit ones. Now we're known as the funny ones.
No, everyone else thinks we're funny. Everyone else just thinks we're not.
No look pass.
That was dirty. That was naughty. Shoot! That was naughty, Harry. Whoa! Naughty.
Chris wins it back. Takes out the keeper.
That's it. He's got to get going. That's disgusting.
Punters on the sideline saying he's got to go.
That's disgusting.
Find it hilarious.
Boys, shall I try a front flip if I score?
Yes, mate. We're going to score. Come back, on, watch. Oh! Nah, it came off keeper, so don't count. Shoot! Shoot! Go on, Kieran!
That's the wrong person to tell to shoot, bro. Someone else want to see shooting.
Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh! Second one, first. By the way, there is absolute limbs if we score. Oh!
Don't know what's happening there.
Boys, shall I try a front flip if I score?
Yes, mate. Go on! 23! 23!
How was that?
23! Next side, top corner, Michael.
23. Aye, they're really having fun with it right now. Look, I don't know who's put a battery in their back, but somehow, look, if the game was closer, you never know what could happen. But this is 5-a-side. Stay awake and stay alive. Coming forward, it's like we're getting lethargic because we're so far ahead. We're giving them chances.
Go on, Harvey! Counter attack! Go on.
Anyway, 23.
Oh.
And they're hungry for more. And they'll play the early one.
I'd actually be so annoyed. Cold finish, well done.
Trish has done him there. 21-3.
It's it, Reece.
Goal difference looking outstanding right now.
It's just been skinned. Someone please go.
Matt coming forward. Gets a shot off straight into his chest, takes it.
Carry on.
I don't think he was second time round.
No shot. Well done.
Chris gets 10.
My God! What a fucking shot! Do I have to shout as a dog? Yeah, you have to command your area, you have to command the players. Oh shit!
Done him.
Harry, get in your goal! Thanks for
Taking the shot, it's tame, keeper saves. That guy takes out Matt.
I've got to put these fucking gloves on. By your hand. Hang on, I put this. Excuse me, we're 16. There we go.
You ran into my leg last.
Harry, I want you saving this. Alright, let me come on for you, Harvey. Save it! Line it, very slide, line it. Hit it, Harvey.
It's a great thing. Unfortunately, no head height over here. Anyway, now we're coming forward. Chris.
Fucking Harry!
Keeper moves out the way, doesn't want to feel the wrath. They switch keepers. Makes sense.
Let him play on, ref!
23-3. And at this point,
Boys, can we play 4 at the back? Getting goal! Yes!
they had 5 outfield, 6 outfield. They had 7, and we had 5. It doesn't matter though.
This is the only court that counts.
It's like
Fuck off.
Liam said, 7 on the pitch. Don't care, lad. 24-3. And we're just having fun now, man. Surely. Come forward again. David to H. You know the end of the story. 25-3. Seems like they're turning on each other now. Things we don't like to see. Long shots galore. If they were smart, they would work it out.
Nah, I'm watching.
Football at its finest.
Get the camera,
I'm not gonna lie, it was a screamer. Anyone would think football was coming home the way they're celebrating.
Yeah! I want that camera!
Hey, great moment for them, man. I love that for them. 26-4. They've got 7 on field.
No shot!
Chippendale does that. Scored and scream and they lean back on the edge of the board. So I've done my job. Anyway, Hayes coming forward. Little one to David. Looking for a way through. Finds one through the letterbox. 28-4.
I'm gonna get on target. What a screamer! That was a screamer!
Was it 28-4, yeah?
Yeah. Wait, what channel's that?
Yeah. Lovely. Thank you. Anything to say, boy?
What's the channel?
Clamp City.
Clamp City?
Yeah.
I'm having that. That strike was beautiful.
Anything to say?
Yeah! I scored 2. Getting fucking come on! We only lost 24. Can I just say something?
28-4.
28-4.
That screamer.
That's basically.
Top level.
This is my debut, and I've already scored.
Top level from Harvey.
Can I just say?
Finish from 30 yards.
Come on!
You got some serious footage after from them.
I got a little man last week.
City! Who clicked up the video?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I pay someone to do that nowadays.
Okay.
Hey, boys. 3 points, innit? All different.
A bit late.
Distracted today, pain and pain. I'm here. I love this club. Oh yeah.
Quick, because it's 9:02.
I had to do it outside, man. These lot are ready to play.
No, go on quick, man. We're bullies. We're bullies.
You ready?
Must have been getting dim in there.
Yeah, come on. Ready to go.
Come in the picture. Come in the picture. Isaiah, picture.
I just got to try that.
Wait, go run. Let's go back to him. We're going to do it.
Yeah.
What are we saying on 3? Whoa.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, go on.
Half of them are 12. Their goalkeeper's actually 12, isn't
Is he?
it? Yeah, the goalkeeper at the end was 12. That was a child.
Hey!
Alright, quick look at the scores around. As you can see, we done our job. CLG, they done their job. Crash Potatoes going close with Dynamo FC, but they done the job. So we're still stuck together. Let's take a look at the league table. Alright, we're still on top, goal difference. Still the same order. Looks like it's gonna be one for the ages. But yeah, man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next week, man.